How to convert Jeep to APK on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and on this video I'll demonstrate how to convert a Jeep file to an APK on an Android device. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, if you don't have a file manager app on your Android device, go to Google Play Store and download one. There are plenty of free options available. Once downloaded, open the File Manager application and go to the location of GIF file you want to convert. Tap and hold the GIF file and select three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap on Rename option, and here you simply need to rename it to .gip2.apk, and after that tap on OK button, and after that a warning may appear. Simply you need to tap on rename button. And once you have done that, you will successfully convert Jeep to APK on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.